Unlock the power of your data and transform it into compelling visual stories with Qlik Sense charts. Let's start by opening Qlik Sense and navigating to the sheet where you want to add your visualization. Click the Add Chart button to see the available chart types. Qlik Sense offers a wide variety of charts, from classic bar and pie charts to more advanced options like scatter plots and maps. Select the chart type that best represents your data and the insights you want to convey. Drag and drop the relevant dimensions, which are your categories, and measures, which are your values, into the designated areas to populate your chart. Once your chart is populated, use the Properties panel to customize its appearance and behavior. Here, you can adjust colors, labels, sorting, and add titles for clarity. Enhance your chart further by adding annotations to highlight key data points and tooltips to provide additional information when hovering over data elements. Experiment with different chart types and customization options to discover the most effective way to visualize your data and gain valuable insights from different perspectives.